How can a creature that's almost blind become one of the fastest hunters on Earth? Moles may be small and barely able to see, but their massive shovel-shaped hands turn them into underground powerhouses. They can tear through soil faster than most animals can run. Their blood is specially adapted to low oxygen environments, allowing them to stay buried for hours without needing fresh air. But here's where it gets insane. The star-nosed mole, armed with 22 wriggling tentacles on its nose, can detect, identify, and swallow prey under 1/10 of a second, the fastest feeding time ever recorded in the animal kingdom.